friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking pork rib tips in the air fryer. So what we need is rib tips, seasonings of your choice. I'll just have salt and pepper and barbecue sauce. So simple, and they're gonna be so good. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm going to season rib tips with salt and pepper, and you can use any other seasonings you like. And I'm going to cook them in the air fryer until they're almost done, and I'll add barbecue sauce at the end. So let's season them. So here's black pepper and salt. And I'm going to flip them over and season the other side. So just rub them with the seasonings and flip. And season the other side. And now let's put them in the air fryer. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 20 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take out the basket. The ribs are looking good, and now I'm going to brush them with the barbecue sauce. So let's just brush this side with barbecue sauce. And I'm going to cook it in the air fryer so this side cooks, and then I'll flip it over and brush the other side. So let's put it in the air fryer, and I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 3 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so now I'm going to flip them over and brush the other side with barbecue sauce. These rib tips look amazing. So just flip it over. Now squeeze the barbecue sauce on top. And brush with barbecue sauce. And now let's put the air fryer basket back in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 3 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking and rib tips are ready. Let's take a look. Look at them, they look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. This delicious barbecue sauce. Now, to be sure they're cooked to your liking, take the internal temperature and make sure it's at least 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So if it's 200, the ribs are fully cooked, and if it's not, then you can always return to the air fryer for another 5 minutes or so until they're cooked to your liking. So these are fully cooked, so let me take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. They look so good. I'm so excited about trying them. Now let's try it. So I'm just going to cut a piece. So they're fully cooked. So delicious. They're perfectly tender. And they were so easy to make. You're going to love this air fryer recipe. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!